This is Twit.
Show today brought to you by BigID. I do know that, the next generation AI-powered data security, compliance, and privacy solution. Now, whatever you think about AGI, it's clear AI is transforming businesses. But there's a dark side: data risk, the problems with bias, compliance challenges. The real question is, are you adopting AI responsibly? See, Jeff, you're going to like this sponsor. BigID delivers end-to-end AI and data governance to help enterprises manage risk, enforce policies, and ensure responsible AI adoption. Ensure AI only accesses safe-to-use relevant data, right? You don't want it going through all your stuff. Automatically tags sensitive information by policy and by type. BigID is the only leading solution to uncover dark data through AI classification, to identify AI risk, to manage the data lifecycle, and scale your AI strategy. And the beauty of this all, it integrates with your existing tech stack with unmatched data source coverage. It allows you to automate privacy and security workflows. You can take action on data risks with automated remediation orchestrations. You can automate privacy management, regulatory compliance, data rights requests, right? That's nice, and more. Partners include ServiceNow, Palo Alto Networks, Microsoft, Google, AWS. With BigID's advanced AI models, it's interesting. You're solving this problem with AI. You gain visibility and control over all your data. It's the platform Intuit named #1 for data classification in accuracy, speed, and scalability. Now, you may wonder, well, who uses BigID? Somebody with a lot of data, right? Somebody who's got data that you would want to use in your AI and some that you wouldn't. Well, how about the U.S. Army? That's a pretty good customer, pretty good reference. The Army uses BigID to illuminate dark data, and I bet they have data in all sorts of nooks and crannies, to automate data retention, which is, of course, required. Here's a quote, great quote from U.S. Army Training and Doctrine Command, the big boys. They say, "The first wow moment with BigID," this is a quote, a direct quote, "the first wow moment with BigID came with being able to have that single interface that inventories a variety of data holdings, including structured and unstructured data across emails, zip files, SharePoint, databases, and more. To see that mass and to be able to correlate across those is completely novel." The U.S. Army Training and Doctrine Command continues, "I've never seen a capability to bring this together like BigID does." Talk about an endorsement. That's awesome. Imagine, all the different disparate data sources the Army has. CNBC recognized BigID as one of the top 25 startups for the enterprise. They were named to the Inc. 5000 and the Deloitte 500 4 years running. The publisher of Cyber Defense Magazine says BigID embodies 3 major features we judges look for to become winners: understanding tomorrow's threats today, providing a cost-effective solution, and innovating in unexpected ways that can help mitigate cyber risk and get one step ahead of the next breach. Boy, I hope I've at least intrigued you, if not convinced you. Start protecting your sensitive data wherever your data lives. No matter what, even zip files, folks. BigID.com/IM. That's the address to go to. That way they know you saw it here. And you, as a result, will get a free demo to see how BigID can help your organization reduce data risk and accelerate the adoption of generative AI. Again, that's BigID, BigID.com. And don't forget the /IM. There's also a free guide there to help you understand the risks of generative AI and data-driven strategies to ensure responsible and compliant AI adoption at BigID.com/IM. We thank them so much for supporting intelligent machines